How's it going, everybody? Check out this 1971 Restomod FireBird. Has an LS1 motor, champion aluminum radiator, shorty headers, 241 heads, LS6 intake. This thing actually runs really good. You gotta slam the hood kind of hard. Four-wheel disc brakes, 4L60 4-speed automatic transmission, brand new wheels and tires, chrome's in great shape, new top. Full sound system with Rockford Fosgate 12-inch subs. Trunk don't stay open, so I've got the nice trunk holder. Digital coated gauges. Thing actually runs really good. Nice, good driver. No show quality paint. Hood's got the little typical bow on the fiberglass hoods. Try to point out any other flaws I see. Little bubble there. Looks like some type of door ding right there. LED headlights. That's about it, everybody. Give me a call at 916-856-7931 or check us out at victorylapplastics.net. Thanks.